When uptime is measured in seconds, you can't afford poor planning and integration of your factory automation. Introducing Omron's Fleet Operations Workspace Core, or Flow Core. Flow Core is Omron's solution for setting up, integrating, and managing an autonomous mobile robot fleet in a factory environment. It provides the software tools to connect and configure the AMR fleet into your factory automation, establish maps, define operational rules, and ensure increased uptime on the factory floor. Flow Core brings continuous improvement by optimizing your factory process with feedback, flexibility, and simplicity. It allows you to run your facility with minimal downtime, operating 24/7, working collaboratively with humans and machines. Flow IQ enhances the core user experience by providing powerful data collection and analytics through an intuitive user interface. The visualization tools generate graphics on the fly, such as heat maps, path maps, robot utilization statistics, and more, giving users the information they need to track and optimize their application. Flow Core incorporates the industry's first autonomous mobile robot fleet simulator for factory and manufacturing applications. Quickly verify traffic and workflows for fleets of autonomous mobile robots, identify potential bottlenecks, and optimize workflows without having to deploy a real robot. Some benefits include assess impact of map changes, scaling, route changes, and new software features. The ability to simulate up to 10 robots in up to 3 separate fleets. Visualize individual robot path planning and interaction with other robots. And simulate custom environments based on real-world facilities without ever deploying any real robots. Cell Alignment Positioning System utilizes the main safety scanning laser to detect a target in the environment and enables the robot to drive to the desired location with unrivaled precision and dock to a machine quickly and accurately. The robot can approach from different angles so that customers do not need to worry about floor layout or the orientation of the load. This allows for a smoother and quicker handover of material, contributing to a shorter cycle time and increased efficiency. Dynamic obstacle tracking allows for smoother motion around pedestrian traffic, forklifts, or any other moving vehicles. The tracking algorithm projects the path of moving objects in the same space as the robot to avoid collisions and traffic jams. With dynamic obstacle tracking, the robot will course correct and move behind the path of a walking person or vehicle. Mobile robots use natural feature navigation and are far more flexible than automated guided vehicles that must always follow the same path. But some applications need the robots to follow a designated path in certain areas of your facility. Introducing selectable autonomy. Omron's mobile robots can now select when to be fully autonomous and when to stick to a specific path, similar to an AGV. But unlike an AGV, no magnets, lines, nor beacons are necessary to enjoy the benefits of maximum flexibility without expensive infrastructure changes. Flow Core allows customers to easily and effectively establish fleets of heterogeneous robot types alongside one another to increase manufacturing throughput. It further establishes and expands Omron's fleet management ecosystem as the industry's benchmark. During fleet commissioning, an inheritance of robot configuration parameters lowers the cost and complexity of new and existing projects. Additionally, it supports an increase in fleet efficiency and job prioritization using more intelligent traffic rules. The Mobile Planner Tablet Edition is an easy-to-use interface designed for monitoring and controlling your mobile robot fleet from a tablet. With the Mobile Planner Tablet, users can localize robots when needed, manually drive robots, initiate the map-making process, and visualize and monitor the robot fleet anytime from anywhere inside your facility. Moreover, your tablet can turn into a call button, allowing you to call a robot to a designated position when you want to. One mobile planner tablet can act as up to 6 call buttons, so that you don't have to mount a physical call button onto every single pickup location. The Integration Toolkit is Omron's application interface that enables interaction between the fleet manager and the end user's applications, manufacturing execution system, or warehouse management system. This interactive layer facilitates autonomous control for a fleet of AMRs using standard communication methods, including REST and SQL. ITK facilitates queuing and monitoring of all AMR job types, such as pickup, drop-off, and multi-segment. ITK also provides a single contact point for AMR data tracking. Accelerate your business and improve planning with powerful integration and connectivity tools. Flow Core brings deeper analysis, more flexibility, smarter tools, and greater insight to your fleet, your facility, and most importantly, to your business. Adopt Fleet Operations Workspace by Omron and benefit today. Flow Core by Omron.